Hi. In this video, I will show you how to connect SureForms to Google Sheet using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to send form-submitted data to Google Sheets using SureForms. I will use SureForms as a trigger node to send the submitted data directly to a Google Sheet. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add SureForms as a trigger. Next, let's add SureForms as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select SureForms, Form Submission as the trigger. Now, choose the form you would like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Then I will submit a test response from SureForms. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a SureForms trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add Google Sheets as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select Google Sheets, Add Row as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a Google Sheet connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide the client ID and client secret to establish a connection with Google Sheets. To get your client ID and client secret, visit the Google Cloud Console. Now, click on the three-dot icon, then select API and Services. Now search for the Google Drive API. Then click on the Enable button to activate your Google Drive API. Next, search for the Google Sheets API, and click on the Enable button. After enabling both APIs, go to the OAuth consent screen section. Here, you can see that I have already created an app. If you have not created any app yet, please do so first. Here, input your app name, then provide your support email, and include your developer contact information. Then click on the Save and Continue button. In the Scope section, click on the Add or Remove Scopes button and provide the necessary scopes required for your configuration. Now, I am navigating to the BitFlows official documentation, which link can be found in the description below. Then click on the Update button. Next, click on the Save and Continue button. Now publish your app and confirm the action. Your app has been successfully created. Now go to the Credential section and click on the Create Credential option. Then select OAuth Client ID. Here select your application type and assign your app name. Under the Authorized JavaScript Origin section, provide your homepage URL. Now go back to the BitFlows builder. Then copy the redirect URL and paste it into the Authorized Redirect URIs field. Then click on the Create button. Your client ID and client secret will be generated. Now, copy the client ID, then go back to the integration settings and paste it into the client ID field. Copy the client secret and paste it into the client secret field. Then click the Connect button. Now, choose your Google account. Congratulations! Your Google Console app has been successfully connected with BitFlows. Now, select the Spreadsheet from the drop-down menu. Then, choose a worksheet from the drop-down options. Now, I will map the fields from the SureForms response to the Google Sheets fields. If you want to use advanced features, simply enable the Show Advanced Settings option. Once it's enabled, you will see various types of advanced settings options are available, allowing you to configure them according to your needs. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from SureForms. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the Bitflows Builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in Google Sheets. Step 5. Verify the form submission data in Google Sheets. Finally, go to your Google Sheets. Here, you will see that the form submitted data has been successfully added to the Google Sheet. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.